Must know affiliate marketing terms. Lead. Who is called as a lead? A contact that has the potential to become a customer. He is called as a lead. SEO, search engine optimization. The process of getting a better ranking on search engine result pages. The purpose is to achieve higher visibility and attract more traffic to the website. That is SEO. Traffic, the number of visits a website receives in a specific period of time. That is called traffic. More focuses on quantity and the quality of your website. Above the fold describes the part of an email message or a web page that is available without scrolling down the page. This term is important because all the content about the fold is assumed to be more valuable to the reader as they see it first. The size of above the fold area will depend on the resolution of the user computer monitor and the number of pixels their monitor displays. This is the example of above the fold and below the fold. Most of the audience gets attracted and most of the clicks happens at the first, that is above the fold. So towards my left you can see the examples of above the fold on desktop. Towards my right you can see the example of how it looks on the mobile phone. Below the fold, of course, it has good number of linking expressions, but not that above the fold gives. Here you can see the example of Amazon.in. Wherein the moment I typed Amazon.in, this is the page I'm getting. I'm neither scrolling or not performing any action on this particular platform. So here this is called above the fold. So most of the engagement, the most of the attraction happens at this particular place. Whenever you're promoting your affiliate links, make sure you place your advertisement on this particular link of your website wherein the lot of engagement can happen, conversion can happen. Must know affiliate marketing terms. Cookies. The small text file stored on the visitor's computer which records the information that is of the interest to the merchant side. In affiliate software, cookies are utilized to track which affiliate the website visitors came from and which banner or the link they clicked. They can also store the date and time of the click for the purpose of tracking the time, a lapse between a click and a conversion to sale or a lead. Now let us understand what is squeeze page. Squeeze page refers to a page where designed to only have one goal or desired conversion in mind. Typically, squeeze pages remove any all distraction for the desired goal. Example, navigation elements of the page may be removed to keep the user focused on the specific pitch being made. The major purpose of this might be the gathering the information of the customer like this. So what happens here is this particular vendor, the service provider, they are expecting you to give the details. Once you give the details, then only you'll be able to check what is there in the website. Now, what is their goal considered as? The consideration here is attracting your email ID.